Today we are unboxing Xiaomi Redmi 10C, an affordable phone from the electronics consumer giant. Anyways, given the affordable price, we really can't expect too much, but still, in the packaging, what we find inside is a phone with external dimensions of 169 by 76 by 8mm, or in imperial units 6.68 by 3 by 0.3 inches, with a weight of 190 grams. The product features a 6.71-inch screen with a resolution of 720 by 1650 pixels. That is a pixel density of 268 pixels per inch. All of this is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so it should be, at least in theory, more resistant to scratches. Below the IPS matrix LCD screen is the whole operating system, which features Android 11 on top of MIUI 13. So the launcher is sadly branded, although that doesn't necessarily mean that it's a bad thing. The chipset inside is Snapdragon 680 4G based on a 6nm manufacturing process, and it also features an octa-core CPU with 4 Cryo 265 gold cores and 4 265 silver cores, likewise from Cryo, but ticking at 1.9 GHz. The action is displayed on the screen with an Adreno 610 GPU. As far as memory goes, the tested unit has 64 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM, with an option to expand storage with a micro SDXC card slot. The main thing in the last few years have become cameras, and on the Redmi 10C we can find a 50 megapixel f1.8 wide-angle lens that has phase detect autofocus and a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera. That's it on the backside, while on the front you may find a 5 megapixel f2.2 selfie camera. Not much, but given the low asking price, you really can't expect flagship performance on that point, which is most often than not the most expensive part of a phone. As far as connectivity goes, it features AC wireless, also supporting Wi-Fi Direct, with support of Bluetooth 5 and low energy modes. All the standard GPS, NFC, infrared ports, radios, and other standard sensors are also included, while additional features that might be of interest is a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, which enables you to unlock the phone with a slightly cumbersome move of your index finger, but provides that just one tiny bit more of security. Last but definitely not least, inside you can find a really big 5000 mAh battery, which is non-removable as is usual these days, and it also features 18-watt fast charging. All in all, quite a lot for not really that much money. If you want to see a full review of this unit, please let us know in the comments down below, and thank you for watching another unboxing on Discharge Networks.